This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening all. Is that my voice is audible to everyone? Can anyone respond? Is there anyone online? Yeah.
So you're audible.
Yeah, thank you for the responses. So, in the last class, do anyone remember what we have been done with? Okay, hope everyone have forgotten after a week. So, what we have been done. So, we had been started with the YouTube marketing. So, let me share my this screen. So, hope the screen is visible to everyone. The screen is visible. Ketika, can you reconfirm? Is that the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So we have been started with the YouTube marketing. In the last session, we have been seen with how we can be able to create with the content of the video by using with the various tools we had been used with, and we had been created a content. So let's see that whether we have been able to upload a video or not. So we'll go to the YouTube channel account which we have been created. So we have been uploaded the video. So while uploading the video, what are the important things we are supposed to take care with? So the first and foremost thing is with the title. Okay. So before doing that, you can be able to see the uploaded video. Is it the same content what you want to bring it up? And what is the name of the file which you have been given to that file before uploading? The file name is very important. Then after uploading into the YouTube account, you can be able to see that the title, it is going to be very important. So when you are going to create with the title, so the title, it should be something which should be attractive in simple way of telling what you want to say to the people, and try to give it the title which are commonly with some kind of a solution for their requirement. So there will be a lot of people will be having interest on certain particular things, the features, or with the performance wise, or the competitive, feasibility. So all these things it is going to be considered. So for that reason, it is better you are going to see that the title, what it has been used in the uh, much viewed videos, so you can take a reference of it and you can add it, or there is a kind of, we can be able to see with an tool which is called as vidIQ, a tool which is commonly used for optimizing your YouTube channel. So which is going to be helpful. vidIQ. So what are the benefits we will see?
Sir, you're not audible.
Is that now I am audible, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So before me adding with the customized thumbnail, it is going to ask us to verify the account with your contact number. So there will be a verification code will be sent to your mobile number which you have been entered with. So this it will be helpful in many other ways also. I'll let you know when I go to that particular screen. Okay. So it has been verified. Now if I try to upload with the thumbnail, so it doesn't ask for any verification. It allows me to add with the details. Okay, so if I select this, so you can be able to see that my thumbnail of the video, it will be the image what I've been added with. Okay, so thumbnail is the first attraction because it's a picture, so it is going to be added in this way. The next, the title. So the title, it is the welcome note we can be able to say. So the people always look into such kind of title, which is going to give you an idea that why we should be watching this video. What is that? It is going to tell about us. So what new thing you can be able to expect it with this video content. So a small kind of an hint you are going to give it or highlight of your video you are going to give it, and also it should be an something solution of your requirement. So in that way you are supposed to choose it with. Okay, let me check it out. So it's taking a lot of time. So it's on chargeable basis. So, but still, let's see. So we can be able to add a Google Chrome extension. So which will be helpful to us to analyze with the videos performances in various metrics. So let us add with an Chrome. Okay. So let me go back to this. Yeah. So now you can be able to see that there is a three options are available. So let me see that what are the title which could be helpful to us in adding this title. So can you people give me a suggestion of which title could be helpful to us? So can anyone guide me out of this four, which title it could be helpful, and also you should be watching it. So which title has a more points? Can anyone unmute yourself and give me the answer? So put your idea and you can be able to add to this. So out of four, one, two, three, four, at least can you people try to give me the answer with your chat box? Okay, Kirtika has given. Thank you, Kirtika. Is there anyone else? Okay, so if you observe over here, out of these four options, whatever it has been given, in this, the third one, which has been given with the 97 marks, the points out of 100. So 97 points is given for giving a title which says Five Rider Globe Launch Mistakes That Could Cost You. Okay, so when you compare with any of other titles, why this is given with 97 points means the interesting part over here is whenever you are going to see any of the title which has a bigger views, means the number wise if there is a higher views, then it is going to be such kind of title which has got with the numbers. So the numbers, it will always attract and the people will be waiting for it. Means, for example, if you are going to come up with any kind of concept and if you are going to say that there is only this much of steps, means you are going to give it very clearly that within this numbers of your work or the steps or the ways or the format, if you are going to say, the people will be getting attracted and they will prefer it with the numbers. Okay, for example, only five tips to make your belly fat. All the fatty people will be choosing it, only those video which is going to say that 5 minute step, five simple ways. If you say like this, the people will follow with that videos. Rather, you are going to give a 2 minutes of video where you can be able to tell the same things within the 3 ways. It's not required within the 5 ways also, but in your title you are not being said. You will be saying with the Ayurvedic, with the different types of process, you are going to solve the problems. So people are not going to be considered with all those things. They always expect it with the numbers. That means there is something guaranteed it can happen within this. Okay. So in that way, try to give with your title. So even I prefer with the same thing. Okay. Yes. The next. It says the description. So the description can be given up to 5,000 characters. So I prefer you to give it at least 1,500 to 2,000 characters, in which it should also include with your any of the links of your any other platforms. If you have been created with the website, that link you are supposed to add it. Any of your social media platforms, any of the affiliate links. So anything which you want to convey it about this video, where you are available. So if you make the connection links, then it will be worthful to you. Okay. So for that also BTQ is giving the AI description recommendation. So let's see that what it could be. So what the keyword do you want to have it? So I'll give this. Okay, so let me add it. I think it's more than 100 characters, so it is not allowing. Um, okay, so let me keep it. So let me take out this itself. Okay, it's been added over there. So for this, I'll just add it with the chat GPT so that it should not be incomplete. So it has already been said that there should be avoided with 5 mistakes to be avoided while buying super bikes. Okay, so let me take out. So I'll take this and I'll add it. Right? So if you see that it comes. Okay, so I've been added with all the description needed for this video content. So do not ignore with all these things, because whenever the video views has to be increased, you have to go with this suggestions and add it with more and more information. More than the video, the descriptions will play a major role. Okay, so the first important, it was the file name of the uh, video content what you are uploading on the YouTube channel. Second thing, it was a title. Then the third thing was a description. Fourth, it could be of the thumbnail. Okay, so even thumbnail also will play a major role. Then next, you can be able to added this video into the playlist if you have already been created. So playlist in the sense, like you might have been uploaded a many videos and you want to categorize it into the different categories. So in which category these videos are going to be there. So that you can be able to create a separate list and you can be able to add the videos into that list. Like how we generally have the option to upload the videos under the particular playlist, so that if anyone is going to search the content for the particular category, so they can be able to get all the videos relevant to that. Okay, so since I have not been uploaded any video, this is the first video I am uploading it, so I don't have any playlist I can be able to create with. Okay, next. Who is the audience? Is it this video is meant for the kids, or is it the kids? It is not for the kids. And here it is already being given that it's not for the kids, it says. But in case if you are going to change it to yes, it's made for the kids, then you are supposed to find it that is it really it's not going to be used for the kids. So it says regardless of your location, so you have to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act in case if you want to set it as it's meant for the kids. Okay, next, the age restriction. So, do you have any specific age people should not be watching this? So, you can specify that age also. Yes, whether this channel is or the video is being paid by someone else, it's not of your own, you're doing it for the monetary purpose, then you can be able to select this option. Or it is also said that it is not your brand, you're promoting someone else's brand. In that cases, you have to mandatorily tick on this option. Right. So since it is my own video content, I have not been paid for anything for promoting this, so I'll not be clicking on this option. Then any altered content, so no, I say. So the next is asking about the tags. What are the keywords, the highlight of this video content? So you can be able to use it, the same vidIQ itself. Okay, so let me see. Super bikes by Rider Globe. So by keeping this as a keyword, what else the keywords can be used? Okay, so no related keywords it says. Okay, so let's not worry about the words which are not being given over here. So let us have one more tool for creating the tag at free of cost. So in the vidIQ it is a chargeable basis. So let me use it. There is a tool called rapidtags.io. So you can be able to see that for the YouTube and for TikTok. This is used for creating the tags. It's called as a tag generator. So let me take it to YouTube. So super bikes. So related to this, what are the tags can be generated? Yeah. So here it has been given. So I'll say super bikes sales. So or I will use it as grace. Okay. So like this, you can be able to give the tags relay or the keyword to prepare the tags for anything you wanted, and you can be able to copy these tags and you can be able to add it into your video content. So if anyone is going to search with any of the relevant words, so your video will be there in the preferred list. Is that everyone are able to understand till now what we have been done? until the tag generation. Is there any doubt? We discussed about how to create the title, how to add with the description, how to generate with the thumbnail. Now we have been seeing with the hashtag generation. Any doubt? If yes, let me know what is that. I hope the voice is audible or fine.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So let me go ahead. So you can be able to create the tags and you can be able to add it over here by using the rapidtags.io is the website address. Yeah. So the next thing is, so video language, any specification you can be able to give with it. Then to which category of this video it belongs to, even that also it's very important. So select with this. So once you have been done with all these things, then on the right hand side, it will be given with the option called subtitles. In case if there is a voice but there is no subtitle in the video, you can be able to add the subtitle separately a file and you can be able to add it to the video. Okay. But since we have already been added the subtitle in the video itself, so this is not required. The next end screen. End screen, it is going to tell that at the end of the video, do you want to suggest with any of the other videos or other channel information? Okay. So you can be able to add that end screen. So you can click on this while uploading the video directly. You will be able to get it as a next option, but here you will be given with the option that one video link you can give it and one subscribe button option you can give it on the bottom side, and this is on the top side, and this is on the side in the mid of the screen. And in case if you want to suggest, give a suggestion for two videos, so not with the subscription, you can give it this. Okay, so you can choose it, and for that, what are the videos links you want to give it, and what are the channel names you want to give it to give the subscribe option. Right. Once you have been done with this, and in case if you are not been given with the end screen option, that means the video content what you have been uploaded might be lesser than 25 seconds. So in YouTube, it can accept with 1 second video also to get uploaded. But if you are looking out to add the in-screen information for a video, it is mandatory that they should upload it at least with about 25 seconds. Right. After that, it is going to ask with cards. So cards means at the top of the screen while running the video, there will be a pop-up in the white in color, which gives the suggestion of other video while running with the existing video itself. So if you want to add it of suggesting of any other videos on the top line with the white in color which appears in between of the video, then you can be able to give it as a patch. Okay. So after doing all these things, if you feel it that this is what I wanted to share it with the people, so you can click on save and you can be able to share it. But still, in case if you want to have the editing of the content or it is related to the audio, in that case you can be able to go to the editor option on the left hand side. So click on get started. So here you can be able to add certain information, certain changes you can bring it in your video content. Suppose if you feel it that the content what you have been uploaded, it might be not that much required. In between, there should be some kind of cut with the content. If you want to do it, then you can be going to this trim and cut option. So the video it will be running. If you find it exactly on which page the recorded video has to be changed, so you can be able to edit and cut it. So that was about the trim and cut. So you can see that if you choose this, it will allow you to select the region where you want to trim and cut. You can drag and drop it. So I'll go back. Next, blur. If you have a multiple objects in the image, so if you want to highlight one particular character and you want to avoid another character, so you can be able to blur that character which you want to avoid it. The next thing is the audio content. So in case if you are not being added the audio to your video content, so then you can be able to add the audio for your the whole video. So let's listen to it. Actually, what is that is there. So now it is there only with the voice. So in case if you wanted to add it with So I'll remove this. Okay, so when you are going to add an audio for your video content, in that itself you are supposed to do with it. So if you try to add it over here with the audio content, then it is going to be like overlayered on the existing content what it has been created with. Okay, fine. So try with each and every options what you are going to have with. Okay, so we had a trim and cut, we have a blur, and we have an audio option. Then end screen by itself, while adding the video itself, you got it. Then the cards. So all these things are going to be can be used it in the right way, so that it is going to help you to get the more and more views towards your video content. Is that fine? Is that clear, everyone? Is there any doubt? Please confirm me. So I'll give you a 2 minutes of time. You can make use of this and come back with any questions if you have it. So thank you all for being online. So any questions on the features, the options, what we have seen while uploading the video on the YouTube channel account? Is that everyone were clear? Please type it as clear if you are clear, or if you have any question, you can raise it. Okay, so thank you for your responses. Right. So now what we have been seeing, that we have been uploaded the video on the YouTube account, and it has to be watched by public people. Then the visibility, you are supposed to change it from unlisted to public. So once you are going to be on public, then it is going to be anyone can be able to go to your channel, and they can be able to watch with the videos, and they can be able to share it to anyone they wanted. Everything it happens. Okay, now if I want to increase with the viewers, the more viewers towards my video content, so how it is possible? I want to make more awareness about my channel, the more videos which I'm going to upload it. So I want more people to be aware that there is a channel, and there are the videos on certain things. So if I want to do with that, how we can be able to do it? So for doing it that, you are supposed to start with giving the ad on video. Means you have to promote your videos. So in which all the ways you can be able to promote your videos? You can be able to share this link without spending any money to your any known people on any of the platforms. So you can be able to share it through a WhatsApp, you can be able to share it through a what, Instagram, or with your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. So any of these platforms you can be able to share with the link. But the more you are going to get the more viewers, or the awareness, it is going to be get created only when you are going to create with an ad. So the more you are going to be reaches through the ad, and you are supposed to spend the money on it. So the ads are not going to be at free of cost, right? So if you want to start with the ad, how do we do with the ads creation? Now, to create this ad, we are supposed to create an ad account through Google Ads account. So to create the ads account, need to go to the ads.google.com. So ads.google.com will be created by connecting to your Gmail account. So better to log in with your Gmail account first, and then you can start with Google Ads account. So the website address is ads.google.com. So I'll click on the start now. So this is the first screen. It appears to create an instant campaign or ad. So let us not create an ad first. Let us create an account first. So to create the account, we are supposed to give certain informations. What are those informations? So let me give a link of the website. So if you have a website, you can start with. So I'll be giving the website which is available, which is really existing. So it is reviewing with the link what I have been provided. Yes, whatever the information you have it related to that website. So we agree that this is created with all this link of accounts. As of now, I'm not going to create a campaign immediately, so I'll skip it. So I'll say leave the campaign creation screen now. Let me come out of it and let me be there in creating the account. Individual name also. I have selected the state, give with all the required details, click on create. So the account is created. So add the payment method. So here I am choosing it as pay with the net banking and add the manual payment amount. There should be a minimum prepaid amount of 500. Then I agree for all the conditions. Then the option which are asked to, do you want to get a guidance from the Google ad account or the Google ads team? So make it as yes if you required, but my suggestion, go with no. So as of now, it's not required for you. Click on submit. In case if it is not getting submitted at the first instance, have a look on all the information. Is that everything has been filled? In whichever the place it's not been filled with the right information, it will be displayed in a red in color. So we have to make the changes. Now, if I see there is nothing, it is there in the red in color. So let me submit it. So twice if you are allowed, then click on submit twice. It has to show this information. Your account is already activated. Click on continue. Click on continue. Now, are you running an advertising agency? I say it as no. And how do you pay your ads? We pay Google Ads directly. Yes. The previous option, advertising agency, has no. And who is paying the ads? We say that we pay Google Ads directly. Save and continue. Okay. So like this, you are supposed to create with the Google Ads account. This is the screen it has to appear, the dashboard, the home screen of the Google Ads account. Is that everyone are clear in viewing it? How did we create with the Google Ads account? If yes, type it as yes. If you have any doubt, you can raise your question. Good. Fine then. So you can have a look into the video once again and go through with all the options what we have been discussed. How to create with an account, everything. Then let's connect it tomorrow and we will continue with Google Ads creations. Thank you all. Have a wonderful time.